And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create stroke effects in Illustrator. Let's open a new artboard, 800x800 and RGB color, click on create. I'm going to use these colors and I'm going to create swatches for them at first. I'm going to show you for the first one how that works and then speed up this video a little bit. It's quite easy. We only need the eyedropper tool, so click I or go to the menu and click on it. Click on your first color, then go to a Swatches panel and click on new swatch and then OK. Now we have this new color as a swatch in our panel. So it's quite simple. As I've said, I'm going to speed this up for the other colors. If you want to use the same colors, the hex code is written below each color. So now we're done. Here are our 5 colors now as color swatches, and we can start with the type tool. Let's just type some random text, whatever you want. Stroke text example is a very creative example, I guess. You get the point. So just type something in, then go to Windows, type character, and you find this menu. Most of the time you'll find it under properties as well. So I'm going to close the first one and use the one in the properties. Let's increase the size first of our stroke. Make sure it's selected. And then we use a free font. Normally you want to use a playful font for stroke text effects. As I've said, I'm going to use free font so that you can recreate this effect. Freestyle script looks kinda good. Let's use this one. We want to center it, so go to Align. If you can't find this menu, go to Windows and Align and it will show up. Make sure Align to Artboard is activated and then align it horizontally and vertically. Let's take care of our stroke now. We can change the fill color over here and we use our color swatches and we can add a stroke right next to it. There are some more menu options. For example, we can change the format and increase the size, but we very easily run into a problem as the stroke is put on top of our fill color and this is not really the effect that we want to have. So let's get rid of the stroke and go to Appearance. Once again, if you can find it, Window and Appearance, there it is. And if you click on the little menu option in the Appearance menu, you will find Add New Stroke. Now we have created layers, you could say. So if you are familiar with Photoshop, it works the same way. Just put the stroke layer below the fill layer. And now we can increase the size of the stroke, change the color. And it will always be below the fill color and not on top of it. Let me open that again. Increase the size of the stroke. Now we'll add a fill color. Obviously make sure it's activated, otherwise it won't work. And as you can see, however big the stroke may be, it only is applied below the fill color, so the fill color is always put on top. And that is exactly what we want. We will open some more strokes. Give them different colors, and as long as they are below other layers, the other ones will always be put on top of them in our final design. Let's add a white stroke. We've got a white background, so that looks kinda cool if we add yet another stroke below it. That looks fine, but we have some problems with these little, let's call them peaks. Whatever it is, it doesn't look good. you have to click on stroke, and most of the time it's just a corner problem. If we use round join, they will disappear. Let's do that for all of our strokes. And this one. And now our design looks way better. And this is the way you can apply easy stroke effects to your text in Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.